The customer has the option to either buy a car for cash for 15,000 or lease it with a down payment of 1,000 and monthly payments of X payable at the end of each month for 3 years. Under the purchase option, the car has a value to the customer of 8,000 at the end of 3 years. At the end of the 3-year lease, the car is returned and has no value to the customer. The customer is indifferent to the options at an annual nominal rate of 12% convertible monthly. Calculate X. So let's consider the two options separately. The first one is the purchase option. So you can purchase it for 15,000. So since in the lease option, you do monthly payments. So let's right away calculate the monthly effective rate J. So J will be I-12 by 12 monthly effective rate, and I-12 is the nominal rate, which is 12%. So 0.12 by 12, that's 0.01. So under the purchase option, you pay 15,000 now, and you get a value of 8,000 3 years from now, and 3 years is 36 months. And the reason why we convert it to months is because we have the monthly effective rate. So the present value of your expenses will be the 15,000 that you expend now, but then you kind of get back the 8,000 at the end of 3 years because that's its value after 3 years under this option. So you bring it to present, and that one is kind of taken out of your expenses because that's something which you get. So the net expenses would be the 15,000 expense now minus the present value of the 8,000, which is happening in 36 months. So its present value would be 8,000 times 1 plus J to the negative 36. And so your net expense under this option is 9408.6. Under the lease option, you pay 1,000 now and X per month for the next 36 months, and then you have no value afterwards. So your net expense would be the 1,000 now plus the present value of the monthly payments that you make for 36 months. And that is an annuity immediate. So our basic annuity immediate formula, Bx is the payment, 1 minus 1 plus J to the negative 36 over J. J is 0.01. And X is to be found out, the monthly payment. So this expression, the fraction simplifies to 30.1075. So the present value under this option, the expense value at present under this option is 1,000 plus 30.1075x. So since you're indifferent to the two options, so the present value of expenses under the two options should be the same. So that means the second option, the 1,000 plus 30.1075x should equal the first option, which is 9408.6. And from this equation, x is 279. That is choice C.